Hey everyone. So I had a customer request to do a bottle bottom pour with a gray background with yellow flower. So I mixed up some Soho neutral gray and added some white to it to get it a little bit lighter. We'll see how dark it's going to be when it dries, but we're going to use this for our background. And I did add some water to it to get it to flow. That's better. So I took a few whites or yellows and added white and mixed up a custom gold to blend with those yellows. So it's a mix between a bright gold and a deep gold to get that yellowy tinge to it. So I'm just gonna tap that one. It's hard to work with yellow, especially when you're doing a monochromatic type of pour with it. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm all covered. I did manage to get everything up on Etsy as far as paintings that were ready to go. So that link is below if you want to check out my Etsy shop. I'm going to use, actually, I'm going to use the 6 so we get a little more. Let me just torch it real quick, get the bubbles out. Okay. So I want to be able to see the outside edge, so I'm going to go ahead and start with white. And then I'm going to follow it with that gold. Just a tiny bit of white. I'm going to be using a lot of white. This is an Indian Summer from Lucas Krill, and I mixed some white in it. Okay, so this is Creative Inspirations Cad Yellow Light. A little more white there. And this is Soho Cad Yellow Light mixed with white. And then this is the Soho Cad Yellow Light mixed with iridescent medium. So maybe we'll get a little sparkle when it dries. And then just the Soho Cad Yellow. And then we're just going to repeat it again. that pretty pattern. Let's see what it does when I stretch it. And I think I want to put a little bit of gold here, and then a little bit of that darker Indian red. Indian yellow. Why am I saying Indian red? And I think one drop of white right there. So we'll let that fall off the canvas, or off the bottle bottom. Oh. Got things coming at me. I'm going to go ahead and skewer that in. I think I want a drop of gold there, though, because I don't think it would be very pretty with all that gray in the middle. So I'm going to grab from here. Pull just a little bit. Okay. See what we get when we stretch. How that white opened up there. All right, let's see what that does. Okay. Get all the paint together. Just running some of that gray off as I stretch. Bring it back, and then we're going to work on corners. I gotta get that gray off. And we're gonna go directly across. That gold is pretty in there. stretch it out this way a little bit. I'm going to come back this way, but I don't think I'm going to come back all the way because this is really pretty right there. I think I'm going to leave it right there because I really love it right there. I'm going to give it a quick torch. Let me just check that center. Make sure everything's behaving. But I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Let me give you a close-up. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy and Redbubble. We have a fan mail box. That address is below. And if you're looking to get the Stone Coat Art Coat resin, we have our code below for $30 off an $80 order. And that is CWA, all in caps at checkout. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this board. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.